Hello people, so today we'll be solving LeetCode daily question, that is 40 combinations sum 2, and in this we'll be given a collection of candidate numbers, candidates, and a target number which is target, and we have to find all the unique combinations in candidates where candidate numbers sum to the target, and each number in candidates may only be used once in a combination. And note that the solution must not contain duplicate combinations. For example, we are having candidates possible ways to form this number are 10, 1, 2, 7, 6, 1, 5. So and the target is 8, so we are having the output as this list. So we can do we can pick two ones with a combination of 6, or we can pick 1 1 1 2 and 1 5. These will also sum up to 8, or 1 7, this will also sum up to 8, and 2 6, this will also sum up to 8. Okay, so we have to find all the solutions by which by using these numbers we can form the target. Okay, so firstly let's have a global list of integer, that is our answer list, which is a new array list. Okay, and for to avoiding duplicacy, we'll be doing sorting the arrays, that is candidates, and then let's have the recursive function call, that is find all. In this we'll be passing the static index candidates as the array, my target, and empty data structure to carry the current list. And at the end we just have to return our answer list. And now let's write the function find all, private void find all, and in this we are having index. I'll be calling it nums only for the sake of easiness, int target, and a list of integer. Let's say that is our current list, list of integer current. Okay, so we'll be checking that if my target becomes 0, in that case we'll be doing answer dot add a new array list, because so that we don't have the memory location won't get affected current, and at the end we'll be returning it format. Okay, else we'll be using a for loop, that for int I equal to the starting index, I less than the length of the nums, uh, length I plus plus. Okay, and to avoid duplicacy we'll be checking that if I is greater than index and nums of I nums I is equal to nums I minus 1. In this case we'll be not be considering, and we'll be just continuing con uh, continue. Else we'll be checking that if my nums of I is less than or equal to target, in that case only we have to add it, subtract from the target. Firstly we'll be adding the current number to the uh, current data structure, that is current list of integer, that is current, so nums I, and then we'll be calling the recursive function call, that is find all with the index I plus 1, nums target minus nums I. Okay, and also the current list. And after the recursion calls recursion start comes back, we'll be doing a current dot remove current dot size minus 1 for the backtracking. Okay, and now let's give it a run. Okay, and it gets executed as well. Now let's submit it, and it works pretty fine. Okay, so this was for today. Thank you for watching.